Hello everyone, welcome to day 10 of our Festival Days journey. Let's discover the meaning and beauty behind today's celebration. Question 1. What do the three flags on Ravana's chariot symbolize? A. Power, wisdom, wealth. B. Ego, knowledge, desire. C. Past, present, future. Or D. Fire, air, water. The correct option is B. Ego, knowledge and desire. Question 2. Which Indian region celebrates Dussehra as Ayodhya Puja? A. North India. B. South India. C. West India. Or D. Eastern India. The correct option is B. South India. Question 3. In which epic in Dussehra described as a day when Arjuna retrieved his weapons from the Shami tree? A. Mahabharata. B. Ramayana. C. Bhagavad Purana. Or D. Agni Purana. The correct option is A. Mahabharata. Question 4. Who was Ravana's chief minister? A. Kumbhakarna. B. Indrajit. C. Prahasta. Or D. Akampana. The correct option is C. Prahasta. Question 5. Which form of goddess Durga is worshipped on Vijayadashami? A. Katyayani. B. Mahishasuramardini. C. Durga Devi. Or D. Shailaputri. The correct option is B. Mahishasuramardini. Question 6. In which state is the Kullu Dussehra uniquely celebrated for 7 days? A. Uttarakhand. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Punjab. Or D. Haryana. The correct option is B. Himachal Pradesh. Question 7. Which brother of Ravana was known for his great sleep and strength? A. Kumbhakarna. B. Vibhishana. C. Ahiravan. Or D. Shuka. The correct option is A. Kumbhakarna. Question 8. Dussehra is followed by which festival in many Hindu calendars? A. Diwali. B. Karwa Chauth. C. Sharad Purnima. Or D. Tulsi Vivah. The correct option is A. Diwali. Question 9. Which flower is considered auspicious for Dussehra? A. Lotus. B. Marigold. C. Hibiscus. Or D. Jasmine. The correct option is B. Marigold. Question 10. In which language is the oldest Ram Leela text written? A. Sanskrit. B. Awadhi. C. Pali. Or D. Prakrit. The correct option is B. Awadhi. Question 11. What was Ravana's profession besides being a king? A. Sage and scholar. B. Artist. C. Warrior only. Or D. Musician. The correct option is A. Sage and scholar. Question 12. Which tree is worshipped on Dussehra as a symbol of Arjuna's Shami tree? A. Banyan. B. Shami. C. People. Or D. Neem. The correct option is B. Shami. Question 13. The word Dashami in Dussehra refers to which aspect? A. 10 gods. B. 10th lunar day. C. 10 kings. Or D. 10 avatars. The correct option is B. 10th lunar day. Question 14. Who was Ravana's maternal grandfather? A. Sumali, B. Maya, C. Indra, or D. Pulasthya? The correct option is A. Sumali. Question 15. What major value does Dussehra teach? A. Wealth creation, B. Humility and truth, C. Selfishness, or D. Power seeking? The correct option is B. Humility and truth. That wraps up day 10. Which festival moment did you enjoy the most? Comment below and stay tuned for tomorrow.